Work smarter, not harder. Be focused. Don't multitask. Don't be good at everything, but be great at important things. आपने भी ये सब सुना होगा, मैंने भी सुना है. I always used to wonder how we can get to do these things. कैसे करेंगे? Ultimately, I got hold of 3 productivity hacks, which has really worked very nice for me. My productivity output have changed completely, whether it is personal life or professional. So I thought of sharing these productivity hacks with you. I hope you'll also benefit from it, whether you are a student or a professional or housewives. These 3 productivity hacks will really work with anybody. But the only one requirement that I have is that you need to use all these 3 productivity hacks together. Hey all, I am Swati from Sahajsoch. At Sahajsoch, we discuss various amazing and incredible topics through which you can take control of your life. So let's get started and see that which 3 productivity hacks have really worked for me and which can benefit you also. Number 1, I use technology. I use my phone to remember many of my things and activities. I believe that we should use our brains for better activities through which we can progress, get motivated and be successful and have growth in our life. I maintain 3 folders in my phone. The first folder is about brain dump. Second folder is professional folder and third folder is my personal folder. In brain dump folder, I do note down various ideas which randomly pops up in my mind. Rather than remembering them, I immediately type it out in brain dump. And whenever then I am free, I will just go through all the ideas which has come. It may be ideas about which video I need to make next, or it may be the idea that how I can organize my garden in a better way. In my professional folder, I do maintain all the unplanned to-do list. Whether it is about my YouTube channel or any creative things or any writing aspects, I do maintain entire list in it. And the third folder is my personal folder. In that, I maintain my grocery list, my cleaning schedules, my gardening schedules, and all the schedules that I have for my home. This habit of noting down in our phone also helps us to get rid of remembering the things. Using technology to your advantage really works wonder. Make your folders in notes and start using them right now. Number 2, I use Google Calendar. Past 6 months, I have been using Google Calendar to plan my days, weeks and months. It's an amazing experience. Believe me friends, and I have been able to complete more than 90% of my tasks which I have planned. I use time boxing technique while planning my tasks and events in Google Calendar. It helps me to focus. It helps me to give maximum output while I am doing a particular task. And I am able to complete the task sometimes even before the time. Believe me friends, the amazing happiness that you would get when you have to cross that task saying that I have done it. And that happiness you can't explain in words. That gives the motivation to move forward, to do more things, to grow and to be successful in life. If I explain you Google Calendar in brief, it helps you to create events and the tasks subsequently. It helps you to color code all the events and tasks the way you want. It is having amazing facility to send us the reminders and also reminder emails. It can send you the emails at the preset time of your convenience. Every Saturday, I plan my next week. This is the time I go through the folders in my phone which are brain dump, personal and professional. I try to manage all the tasks which I would have written in my phone in the form of event and task in the calendar. This is how I plan my week after week. I also color code them so that it helps me to visualize what all things I have to do for the upcoming week. The Google Calendar effectively helps us to use the time boxing techniques. It helps us to work systematically and The best part is I don't have to remember anything. Whatever work I have to do, it will pop up whenever I have to do. If you are interested in knowing what is time boxing technique, do watch my video on time boxing. I will leave the link in the description box below. Number 3. Environment matters. Imagine you sitting on a bed or lying on a couch and doing your office work compared to dressing up perfectly, working within time frames and working by sitting on a chair and table or having a dedicated space. Environment matters definitely, and it really impacts our output, it really impacts our productivity. Whether you are a housewife or a student or a professional, the time frames are very important that you set for yourself. The approach and attitude of doing your work also matters a lot because it impacts your productivity, because it creates a kind of environment around you and that gives you an extra boost to do the job perfectly. For example, if you are a housewife, do have your time frame schedules in which you will complete particular work of your maybe regular chores, or it may be cooking, or it may be cleaning your home, but do have schedules. Do dress up accordingly. That creates an environment, that creates a discipline. The approach changes and your attitude towards your work also changes. If I talk about myself, I do have dedicated area where I sit down and do my work, write my script, or say shoot my video, or even edit my video. Now by doing so, it gives me a professional outlook and attitude while I am doing my work, and it provides me or it helps me for the maximum output and the maximum productivity for my work. So friends, environment does matter. It matters a lot and it helps to get the maximum productivity out of us. Implement these 3 productivity hacks together. Use them all together and you will see amazing result. Friends, I am enjoying amazing results and I am increasing my productivity day by day, week by week. And if you are having any other productivity hack which is working for you, do let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe my channel and be part of our beautiful family. I need your support to grow my channel. Please like my video and share this video with your family and friends. Do follow us on Instagram and see you next week with such amazing and interesting topics. Till then, be happy, be safe, keep smiling.